what's in the box there, Mr. Murphy?
We've got presents all the way from Texarkana, Texas.
Wait a second.
Trinity,
Norma
Texas.
from Trinity, Texas strikes again?
They make the beer, I think, in Texarkana, Texas. Don't they make Coors in Texarkana,
I think so.
Texas?
Now, wait a second. So, when Norma from Trinity sent us the first gift, we weren't expecting it. Like, we were way...
I can show you the first gift if you really want to see it.
No, it's okay.
All right,
But let me think. It's the first gift we didn't expect. Oh, there it is.
These are mostly habaneros and jalapenos.
And you haven't eaten them yet?
I can only eat one at a time, and it burns the next day. My hiney hurts. Oh
My God. You're terrible. This is a family show. Keep it clean. All right. So that was in box number 1, and then we had a bunch of stuff in box number 2. So what do you think is in the box now? Without looking in the box, weigh the box. What do you think is in the box? Before you pull anything out of that box, let's weigh the box. How heavy is it? What can we expect? Like, people didn't see what you were just pulling out of there.
When you're done.
It does not. All right. So I'm going to guess she probably dropped in more peppers. Oh, geez. I dare you to go test that on one of the cats. He's over there. I dare you.
Somebody already did it. They're all exploded.
They're not.
They're all exploded
Oh,
already.
geez.
Somebody was already playing. Some OCD person was doing the ding.
Not me.
All right, so. You want to see what's in the box?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I see a bunch of paper.
I see a bunch of peppers.
Those are cayenne peppers. Oh, my God.
Dried cayenne peppers.
So I say you should put those in the coffee grinder like Norma told you to and sprinkle it on the food.
I think you should open your mouth.
Wait a second. Let's flip the camera. Bring it here. Let's flip the camera.
That one doesn't look good.
Let's flip the camera. You want it? You want...
See this? See that?
How much of this am I supposed to bite?
Just a little bite. Have a little bite there. Start crying now. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't even bite it. I didn't even bite into it.
Why not?
Because it burned my tongue.
Oh, poor crybaby.
Let's see you do it.
Give me that thing.
See you do it. You're insane. You're absolutely insane. No, I'm not putting up with this tonight. I refuse. I refuse, man.
It's actually the seeds that have all the capsaicin in it.
I know.
That's the stuff that's really hot.
I just put the tip
I bit
in-
the end off. No, you could bite the rest of it.
Oh my God. Do I have to?
Mm-hmm. Keep in mind we have no milk or bread.
Thanks a lot.
Mm-hmm. Did you get a seed?
Okay. Oh my God. I'm really hating you right now.
Is your mouth on fire?
Yes.
From one little seed?
Yes.
You're lying.
I'm weak.
You're lying.
Continue through the box, please. No more torture.
All right. So there's your hot pepper entertainment for tonight. But
No bread or no milk. Brilliant.
let me show you what's in here. This is a special koozie for my White Claws.
Oh, man.
And inside there, can you see this?
Oh, yes, I can see it.
Do you see the red?
I do.
You see the green?
I see them.
Those are cayenne peppers at various stages of ripeness, but they are surrounded by the one and only ghost peppers.
Oh, my God.
Now, this is... Ooh, it's not sealed up.
Uh-oh.
So you have to eat them now.
I'm not eating no ghost peppers.
You're not eating no ghost peppers?
You and your son can eat the ghost peppers.
We're going to try these
You are.
on another episode.
Oh, no.
Now, what else do you have in here but these peppers?
Oh, my God.
Texarkana, Texas peppers. These are habanero peppers and jalapeno peppers,
God.
and cayenne
I can't
peppers.
believe this woman grows these in her yard.
I see a little speck of garlic in there. I don't really need the garlic flavor for, but this reminds me of the stuff that's in the other.
Even they know you have hot peppers.
All right, now I think you're smelling the catnip in the bag.
Jeez. Yeah, which the catnip we gave to Glenn Jr.
So the catnip is gone already.
Well,
in here, though, we have a set of magnets for the refrigerator. Look at these.
Very cute. You better put
Got
those
the
on a shelf.
ladybug.
Or put them away. Put them
Put
upstairs.
them on I have a refrigerator right here.
Yeah. Let's show them the refrigerator. You have no room. No room. See this? No room. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is our magnetic refrigerator, which we're supposed to be getting, like, some steel put in, but instead Mr. Murphy had to improvise. So this is our current situation right now. Yeah.
So let me show you some of the arts and crafts. This is a handmade, hand-weaved doily. Thank you, Norma. It even smells pretty.
Like her.
And Norma has a sister that made one of these as well.
We don't know which one it is, though.
Well, one of the sisters, it's actually, I think she has two sisters. One sister she talks to, the other one she does not. So there you have that one. And then we have one from the Irish sister. Because it's green. I know she's Irish. Because it's green.
Look at that. It works like a bib on your belly.
Oh, I won't get my food on my shelf then. Thank you, Lucia, for your wonderful insight.
Insult.
That's what I'm saying. So I'm going to wrap these up so they keep smelling good. I'm going to put them back in the sack. You know about the sack? Huh?
Thank you, Norma from
thank you,
Trinity, for the
Norma.
beautiful gifts. We really appreciate you. And if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, check out the entire playlist. Check out what we're all about. And until next time, everybody, effort never dies. Be safe out there.
Good night, Irene. Good night.